In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a transparent pop-up in Klaviyo. Start by logging into your Klaviyo account and looking at the left-hand navigation menu. Click Website, then choose Sign Up Forms. This is the area where Klaviyo stores all of your on-site forms, including pop-ups. Next, go to the top right corner and click Create Form. This opens the template library, where you can start with a pre-built layout instead of designing from scratch. Select a template that fits your goal. For example, you can choose a template like Collect Emails if you are building a simple email capture pop-up. Picking a template is helpful because it already includes the basic structure, like a headline, an email field, and a button. After you select a template, you will configure the basics. First, name your form. This name is mainly for internal organization, so use something clear that helps you recognize it later, especially if you plan to test multiple versions. Then choose the list where new subscribers will be added. This is important because it controls where signups go inside your account, such as your main newsletter or another list you use for promotions. Once those basics are set, click Create Form to enter the editor. Inside the editor, start with the design. Use the Styles panel to match your brand, including your colors and fonts. If your goal is a transparent pop-up, pay close attention to the background styling of the form or pop-up container and adjust the style settings. The background appears transparent while your text and buttons stay readable. Keep contrast in mind so visitors can still clearly see what to do. After styling, click Targeting and Behaviors. This is where you decide when and how the form appears. You can set it to trigger on exit intent, which shows the pop-up when someone is about to leave, or you can display it after a short delay, like 5 seconds. Choose a setting that fits your audience and keeps the experience smooth. When everything looks right, review your form one more time for readability, branding, and timing. Then click Publish in the top right to make the form live on your site. That covers everything you need to know.